As you will be aware, the Comprehensive Expenditure Report identified the requirement of savings of 6.5% per annum over the period 2012-2014 in the SCP. As a first step towards identifying efficiencies and other necessary reforms, the Department is working with the National Educational Welfare Board, or the NEWB, and the Department of Education and Skills to complete a review of the programme this year. This review will enhance the process of integrating all SCP initiatives within a national approach to attendance, participation and retention under the board's remit. In the present, sorry, I'm merely laughing here because I have so many initials for a broad range of things in this script that it's extraordinary how they're invented. I'll go back to the previous point I was making. This review will enhance the process of integrating all SCP initiatives within a national approach to attendance, participation and retention under the board's remit. The present financial climate is therefore not feasible to ring-fence funding or to insulate any project from the necessary reforms. However, it is not expected that there will be any significant adjustments to the programme this year beyond those measures already communicated to projects. The NEWB is responsible for the operational management, development and direction of the SCP, along with the educational welfare and homeschool community liaison services. As part of this work, the board is assisting projects to enhance the planning, targeting and coordination of services. I understand the NEWB has been in contact with projects in Waterford in this regard. The objective is to consolidate the work of local programmes and ensure that evidence-based services can continue into the future on a sustainable basis. Officials from the Department of Children have been in contact with the local coordinator in Ballybeg and arrangements.
Minister, you're okay.
It must be from lack of food, I think. And arrangements have been made to meet the project's local management in the coming week. Minister Fitzgerald has requested the CEO of the NEW. This is a serious issue, and I wouldn't like anyone to think I'm not taking it seriously. But I think if I confront another set of initials for an organisation, I'm probably going to just collapse because they really should spell out what they're talking about. Minister Fitzgerald has requested the CEO of the NEWB to engage with this process to ensure a positive outcome is achieved through a structured and coordinated interaction, and looks forward for developments in this regard. I just want to say to the Senator that I know his concerns in relation to this issue are serious, and I will draw to the attention of the Minister the very specific comments he's made in the Seanad today, and insofar as he has concerns about the continuation of the project, ensure that she further communicates with the Senator in that regard.
Brief questions.
Yeah, I'll be very